add dimension and text. For that, just go to Annotate tab, and here it is text available. If you click here, you can make your own text style also, or you can change, select this one, make changes in this text font style, it is Arial, or you can change any other styles. If you select this one, set current, yes, and close it. Now you can see it is changed to that style. And the next one, dimension, if you click here, you can make dimension style. You can make changes in this. Detailedly I given lecture about the dimension style manager. Please go to the dimension section, you will get it clear lecture. Otherwise, simply you can just go to the modify and you can make changes in the scale and all. Here you can use scale dimensions to layout. You can use this one, and other all the thing keep as it is. If you want, you can make changes in this one. Clear lecture, it is available in dimension section. So set current and closed. Now we can make dimensions and text. Now go to here, and here it is the linear dimension, and just select this one, enter, and which line dimension you need to select the line. You can make dimension like this. Again, enter, double enter, you can select this line, you can make dimension like this. Double enter, you can click this line and you can make dimension like this. And here, this is the circle. For this circle, we can make center mark. Before creating the center mark, you can create the layers and all also, and or you can just make center mark. Just select this center mark, and I just select this one. You can see the center mark is ready. And here you can see this is actually circle. In this circle, we need center line. For that, you can use the center line option. Select this line and this line, you will get it center line. Similar way, you can make center line here also. Select this line and this line, you can see the center line. So this is the way you can add. If you need to add more dimensions, you can add more dimensions using this linear, align, other all the things you can use, and you can make dimension. If you go to the radius, if you click here, and you can make the radius dimension like this. These all the dimensions you can make using the similar way. If you don't know, please go to the dimension section, you will get it clear lecture. And if you need to make the text, if you click here, you will get it the two options. The first one is multi-line text and single line text. Already I teach you this one very clearly, and you can select this single line text. And if you need to make the title, you can just click here. What is the height? You can use 2.5 normally, and the rotation make it 0, simply enter. And here it is elevation view. If you want to tell this is a view in elevation view, and simply click outside, then enter. Just select this one and you can place it like this. And if you need to make a line, double click and control U, you can make that this text. If you want same text, you can copy and use it here, and you can make the changes in this text. So this is the way you can add text and dimensions in AutoCAD.